Chartreuse,
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 Chartreuse.
though you think it's mighty cute.
Welcome to Lecoq's Corona TV service, where we drink Chartreuse and talk about it because we may not sell it to you. We have to drink 20 Chartreuse.
That sounds great.
Sounds really great.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
This must be episode 1 then. We're going to start with regular green. Well,
I missed it.
Mm.
So when did you have a Chartreuse last time?
Sunday, 8th of March,
Oh,
in the morning, in the early morning.
I had one yesterday evening, so.
well, you have to get into the spirit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your ancestors come from where they produce Chartreuse, right?
Some of them,
Some of them.
I think. Not all of them.
Which
Yeah.
side is it?
On my mom's side, grandma's side.
Hmm.
They come from close to the Chartreuse. And my grandma used to, drinks a lot of it when she's sick, which is weird, but I guess it works.
She's French, right?
Sounds like a sounds like a wise woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should make her learn
She-
that.
she
Yeah,
should
yeah,
be
yeah. You're hurting your
sometimes.
back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Drink some Chartreuse.
She
My
could
back
be.
hurts. I drink Chartreuse.
But actually, once I got sick and I told her, I've drank a bit of Chartreuse, and she told me, maybe you should put it in hot water and all, and it's gonna be perfect for you. And I was like,
So like you're
aren't
gonna
you supposed to tell me not to drink?
Is there anything more special to say about this regular green Chartreuse?
normally we drink it as shots, but it's actually quite nice as just digestive.
But when I arrived to O's, it was like a big shock for me that you drink that as shots, because I've never seen that in my life before. You only drink that as a digestive at the end of a meal. So that
Well,
was weird
then-
to see everyone chugging it.
You're not from the area there. You're from Bordeaux. Yes, it's not. But well,
Yeah.
Isn't that the first?
Yes.
I think that was a stupid introduction to this probably quite ridiculous day. So, episode 1, and see you for the next Chartreuse a bit later.